Wiring harness integration is the process of incorporating a pre-designed wiring harness into equipment to ensure reliable electrical connectivity, operational functionality, and system compatibility. During this process, it is essential that integration principles are adhered to and standards and compliance requirements are followed. Integration principles are foundational guidelines that ensure the seamless integration of wiring harnesses within equipment. They include electrical integration principles and mechanical integration principles. Electrical integration principles focus on the distribution, transmission, and management of electrical energy within equipment through wiring harnesses. These principles ensure that the wiring harness is able to support the safe and reliable operation of electrical and electronic, or EE, components in equipment. The key aspects of electrical integration principles are power distribution, signal distribution, electromagnetic compatibility, or EMC, and electrical load management. Mechanical integration principles focus on the physical integrity, stability, and durability of wiring harnesses within equipment. These principles ensure that the wiring harness is able to withstand stresses such as vibration, movement, and thermal exposure without failure or degradation. The key aspects of mechanical integration principles are mechanical fitment, vibration damping, strain management, and thermal management, or TM. Standards and compliance requirements are the regulatory, industry, and manufacturer-specific requirements that ensure the wiring harness is safe, reliable, and compatible with the electrical and mechanical systems of equipment. The standards and compliance requirements include electrical standards and Ingress Protection, or IP, standards. These integration principles, along with the standards and compliance requirements, form the foundation for designing, assembling, and installing wiring harnesses that meet performance, safety, and reliability expectations in real-world applications.